If your TV Wi-Fi is connected but no internet, you are not alone. This is one of the most common smart TV problems technicians see every week in real repair shops. The TV shows connected to Wi-Fi, but apps like YouTube, Netflix, or browser refuse to load. Sometimes the home screen works, but nothing streams. Sometimes the error says no internet connection, network unavailable, or cannot connect to server. This situation confuses many users because the TV looks connected, but functionally it is offline. This problem happens because connection to Wi-Fi and connection to the internet are two different things. Wi-Fi only means your TV is talking to your router. Internet means your router is successfully talking to your service provider. If either side fails, the problem appears. In many cases, the TV is not actually broken. The failure is often caused by router errors, corrupted network settings, DNS conflicts, outdated TV software, or authentication problems. As a technician, the first rule is safety. Never open your TV or router without unplugging power. Never reset hardware while firmware is updating. Never force settings without understanding what they do. Welcome to Tech Vibes. This channel is built on real-world repair experience, not theory. The goal is simple: help you fix your device safely, correctly, and cost-effectively. Now that router and modem health are confirmed, we move to TV-side software diagnostics. In real service cases, corrupted network profiles, outdated firmware, and misconfigured system settings are among the most common causes of TV Wi-Fi connected but no internet. First, forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. On your TV, go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Wi-Fi Settings, then go to Manage Networks. Select your current Wi-Fi network and choose Forget or Remove. Restart the TV. After reboot, reconnect to the Wi-Fi and re-enter the password carefully. Technician tip: this clears cached authentication tokens and resets the encryption handshake, which often fails after router changes or power outages. Second, check date and time settings. Go to Settings, then go to General, then go to Date and Time, or go to System, then go to Time and Date. Set time and date to automatic using network time. If automatic fails, manually set the correct time and date. Incorrect time breaks secure connections and causes apps to fail silently. Third, update TV firmware. Go to Settings, then go to Support, then go to Software Update, or go to Settings, then go to System, then go to About, then go to Update. Install any available updates. Many manufacturers release patches specifically for network connectivity bugs. Safety warning: never unplug the TV during firmware update. Doing so can corrupt the system and require mainboard replacement. Fourth, check network status details. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Network Status or Connection Status. Confirm the TV has an IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS. If any of these show not available or zero values, the TV is not routing correctly. Fifth, reset network settings only, not factory reset. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Reset Network Settings or Reset Network. This clears network profiles without deleting apps, accounts, or personal settings. Sixth, test using mobile hotspot. Enable hotspot on your phone and connect your TV to it. If the TV connects and has internet on hotspot, the TV hardware and software are fine. The problem remains with your home router or network configuration. Seventh, disable any proxy settings. Some TVs store proxy configurations from past networks. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Advanced or Proxy and ensure proxy is disabled. Real-world example: a Sony Android TV showed Wi-Fi connected but no internet after a firmware update. The time zone reset to manual and incorrect. Setting time to automatic immediately restored all apps. Common user mistake: users jump straight to factory reset. This deletes apps, accounts, and personalization, but often does not fix network issues. Always reset network first, not the entire TV. If these software-based fixes do not restore internet connectivity, the next step is deeper network configuration involving DNS, IP addressing, and gateway behavior. In the next section, we will diagnose DNS, IP, and connectivity configuration errors in technician detail. Many users worsen the TV Wi-Fi connected, but no internet problem by performing random or unsafe actions. Technicians see these mistakes daily. They often lead to unnecessary repairs, data loss, or permanent damage. Knowing what not to do is as important as knowing what to do. Mistake 1. Random factory resets. Some users immediately reset the TV to factory settings. This deletes all apps, accounts, and personalized settings. If the problem is router configuration, DNS, or network cache, a factory reset does nothing to fix the root cause. Always try network reset and software fixes first. Mistake 2. Repeated rapid power cycling. Turning the TV or router off and on repeatedly within seconds can corrupt firmware or damage capacitors. Technicians always recommend waiting at least 30 to 60 seconds between cycles. Mistake 3. Incorrect manual IP or DNS entry. Entering wrong IP addresses or DNS servers can isolate the TV completely. Avoid random manual entries. Follow technician-approved settings, automatic DHCP, or verified public DNS, like 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Mistake 4. Opening the TV without proper precautions. Many users attempt to blow compressed air inside or touch boards to fix modules. High-voltage capacitors can remain charged even when unplugged. This can cause electric shock or irreparable board damage. Mistake 5. Ignoring signal and interference issues. Users often assume the TV is faulty if Wi-Fi shows connected. In reality, poor router placement is often the culprit. Interference or wrong frequency bands are the real culprits. Ignoring environment checks leads to unnecessary hardware replacement. Mistake 6. Firmware or app updates during unstable network. Updating while Wi-Fi is weak can corrupt system files. Mistake 7. Misinterpreting error codes. Error codes like E201 can be misread as hardware failure when they indicate connection issues. Real-world example. A customer replaced their main board thinking the TV was broken, but the router had MAC filtering enabled. The replacement was unnecessary. Technician tip. Always follow step-by-step diagnostics. In the next section, we will demonstrate the technician diagnostic flow. Step 1. Verify other devices. Use a phone to check if internet works. If other devices are offline, the problem is your router or ISP. Step 2. External power checks. Power cycle TV and router correctly. This solves 20 to 30% of cases without touching settings. Step 3. Network configuration. Check router DHCP, DNS, and MAC filtering. Verify the TV is assigned a valid IP. Step 4. TV software diagnosis. Forget Wi-Fi network, reconnect, and clear cache. Test hotspot connection to isolate hardware from network. Step 5. Advanced configuration. Set manual DNS. Disable IPv6 if needed. Confirm secure app access and proper band connection. Step 6. Physical inspection. Only after software tests fail. Inspect Wi-Fi module connections and antenna cables for damage. Real-world case study 1. ATCL TV showed connected but no internet. A simple network reset and DNS fix resolved it in under 10 minutes. Case study 2. An LG TV failed to stream. The technician found MAC filtering was enabled on the router. Adding the TV's MAC address fixed it. Technician tip. Always document each step. This helps identify recurring problems and avoids unnecessary part replacements. Now let's summarize the key steps to fix your TV Wi-Fi connected but no internet problem safely and effectively. Verify other devices, power cycle everything, check router settings, and perform software troubleshooting before suspecting hardware. In most cases, the solution lies in router settings or software. By following this workflow, you restore internet access without unnecessary cost. Thank you for watching Tech Vibes. Like, share, and subscribe for more professional repair guides. Good luck.